The new Brighton Powerboat Club today is hosting the Matt Morrison Memorial in the South Island Pro Stock here at Lake Hood. The Matt Morrison Memorial is New Zealand's biggest trophy for the inboard racing runabouts. It's the second biggest trophy in the association. We have 14 boats here entered from as far North Island as Wellington through to West Coast and Christchurch here to compete. We have to qualify down to a field of 10. We've got Formula 1 tunnels, hydroplanes here as well to race, and today we're looking for a good day. It's a great day weather-wise here. We've got some good sponsors locally from the Ashburton Cup community, which we appreciate, and this event will be an annual event. And we'll be back here every year for the next few years and growing the event and making it successful.